Have you ever wondered why just one well-balanced breakfast a day could slow down aging, ease joint pain, improve memory, and even help you live longer? It might sound like an exaggeration, but hear me out. A long-term study from Harvard Medical School tracked over 20,000 adults over 60 for more than a decade. The results? Those who started their day with a balanced breakfast, rich in fiber, plant-based protein, and low in sugar, were 43% less likely to develop heart disease, diabetes, or depression. So what exactly happens in your body when you eat the right breakfast? And why are just a few simple recipes considered a natural anti-aging remedy for people over 60? In today's video, you'll learn 3 of the best breakfast recipes. Easy to make, delicious to eat, and perfectly suited for older adults. Whether you live alone, eat plant-based, or manage diabetes, these recipes are for you. And if you're looking for motivation to start living healthier each day, subscribe to Golden 60 Plus now. Because the insights in this video may just be the beginning of a stronger, brighter chapter in your life after 60. Recipe number 1. Morning oatmeal. Fiber for the heart and brain. Picture this. A quiet kitchen. Sunlight through the window. You gently pour a scoop of rolled oats into a pot of warm water. In just minutes, you've created a soft, nourishing bowl of oatmeal. Why is oatmeal so powerful after age 60? Because it contains beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that lowers bad cholesterol, LDL, reducing your risk of heart disease. Stabilizes blood sugar, crucial for those with pre-diabetes or type 2 diabetes. Feeds the good bacteria in your gut, improving digestion and nutrient absorption. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who ate oatmeal every morning reduced their cholesterol by up to 10% in just 4 weeks, without making any other dietary changes. What you need: half a cup rolled oats, 1 cup water or plant-based milk, almond oat, a spoonful of chia or flax seeds for omega-3s and fiber, a slice of banana or a few blueberries for natural sweetness, no sugar, no dairy, no complexity. Just a golden breakfast for your heart, memory, and digestion. If you find this recipe helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video with someone over 60. This simple dish could be exactly what they need to start their day feeling stronger. Recipe number 2. Eggs. The perfect protein to preserve muscle after 60. What's the leading cause of frailty after 60? Not age, but muscle loss. According to the US's National Institute on Aging, adults over 60 can lose 3 to 5% of muscle mass every decade, unless they consume enough high-quality protein. And nothing is simpler, more affordable, or more effective than eggs. The gold standard of complete protein. 1 egg contains 6 grams of complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. Choline, key for memory and brain function. Vitamin D, supports calcium absorption and bone strength. Lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect the eyes from macular degeneration. A study from the journal Nutrients showed that older adults who ate 2 eggs daily had significantly stronger muscles, better balance, and reduced fall risk. An easy breakfast idea: 2 soft-boiled or poached eggs, served with avocado slices or sautéed kale with garlic. enjoyed alongside a warm glass of lemon water or light green tea. No deep frying, no heavy salt, no fuss. Just 2 eggs each morning. And you're fueling your legs, brain, and immune system. Are you eating eggs the right way each morning? If not, tomorrow is a perfect time to start. Recipe number 3. Green smoothie. A drink that helps you feel younger every day. Now imagine starting your morning with a cool green drink. Fresh as morning dew, with a hint of apple, a touch of greens, and a revitalizing lift to your whole body. That's the green smoothie, a breakfast staple in Japan, Denmark, and many other long-living cultures around the world. Why? Because within just 10 minutes of drinking it, your body receives soluble fiber, feeding your gut's good bacteria, preventing constipation. Powerful antioxidants like lutein, chlorophyll, vitamin C, E, and K. Minerals like magnesium, potassium, and folate, which help manage blood pressure and boost energy. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, those who regularly drink veggie-based smoothies are 31% less likely to develop cardiovascular disease. Here's a gentle green smoothie for adults over 60. A handful of baby spinach or mature spinach, half a green apple, half a ripe banana, 1 tablespoon chia seeds for omega-3 and fiber, half a cup coconut water or filtered water. Optional, a slice of fresh ginger or a pinch of cinnamon. Blend everything for 30 seconds. Pour into a glass, sip slowly. Important tip: drink it on an empty stomach at least 30 minutes before your main meal, so your body absorbs the nutrients more efficiently. And if you're thinking, I've never had a green smoothie, is it too late to start? The answer is, today is the best time to begin. The earlier you start, the healthier you stay, with fewer pills and more vitality. If you find these breakfast ideas helpful and easy to follow, don't forget to subscribe to Golden 60 Plus so you never miss a video on health, meals, and simple habits to thrive in your golden years. 1 click, and you've gained a trusted companion on your wellness journey. Have you ever started your day with just a black coffee and thought, that's enough? Or grabbed a slice of white bread and rushed out the door? If so, you're not alone. Many older adults continue to follow unhealthy breakfast habits without realizing that breakfast can either be the first medicine or the first toxin of the day. Let's take a closer look at the 5 most common mistakes. 1. Drinking coffee on an empty stomach. Coffee may help you wake up, but drinking it before eating anything stimulates acid production in the stomach. According to Harvard Medical School, coffee on an empty stomach can irritate the lining of your stomach, increase cortisol levels, your stress hormone, and raise blood pressure. Fix: eat a light snack first, like a banana or a slice of whole grain toast, about 15 minutes before your coffee. 2. Eating white bread, instant noodles, or sugary cereal. Highly processed carbs, like white bread or sweetened cereal, cause your blood sugar to spike, then crash, leaving you tired and dizzy within an hour or 2. The American Institute of Geriatric Nutrition warns that older adults who consume high-sugar breakfasts are 38% more likely to develop type 2 diabetes and experience unhealthy weight gain. Fix: choose slow-digesting, low-glycemic carbs, like oats, whole grain toast, or steamed sweet potatoes. 3. Skipping breakfast entirely. Some skip breakfast because they're not hungry or it feels like a hassle. But skipping breakfast can lead to muscle loss, memory decline, and metabolic issues as you age. Your brain needs fuel after 8 to 10 hours of overnight fasting. Without it, mental performance drops. Fix. Even a simple breakfast like a boiled egg with a piece of fruit can give your body the kickstart it needs. 4. Eating only fruit without protein or fat. Fruit may feel light and refreshing, but it mostly provides sugar and water, not enough to sustain you all morning. The result? You feel tired, hungry, and experience a midday sugar crash. Fix. Pair fruit with a healthy protein or fat source, such as Greek yogurt, a boiled egg, seeds, or nut butter. 5. Eating too much salt or fried foods. Bacon, salty eggs, and processed sausages may sound tasty, but they place a heavy burden on your heart and kidneys. According to the CDC, older adults who eat salty foods regularly have a 46% higher risk of developing high blood pressure. Fix. Reduce salt gradually, use herbs for flavor, and favor cooking methods like steaming or light sautéing. Breakfast is more than a meal. It's the first message you send to your body each morning. I care about you. If you've made any of these 5 mistakes, don't worry, we all have. But starting today, you can choose differently. And if this video helped you reflect on your own habits, consider sharing it with someone who might need a healthier morning routine too. The 5-minute breakfast that supports memory, muscles, and digestion. Did you know that just one boiled egg can give you over 6 grams of high-quality protein? Along with choline, an essential nutrient for memory and brain health. Pair that with a few slices of avocado-rich in heart-healthy fats, potassium and fiber, and a piece of toasted whole grain bread. And you've got a powerful breakfast that takes just 5 minutes to prepare. This combination helps regulate blood pressure, balance blood sugar, and keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Many older adults who experience bloating or constipation have reported significant improvement after just 7 days of following this simple breakfast. If today's video made you rethink how you start your day, don't forget to subscribe to Golden 60 Plus for more easy, science-backed ideas to support your health after 60. The Japanese-approved superfood for seniors, sweet potatoes. It might surprise you, but sweet potatoes, a humble and familiar food, are ranked among the top breakfast staples for older adults in Japanese nutrition studies. Why? First, they're rich in insoluble fiber, which stimulates bowel movement and helps reduce constipation, a common discomfort after 60. Second, they're packed with beta-carotene, the precursor to vitamin A, which protects vision and boosts immunity. Third, they contain resistant starch, a special type of fiber that feeds your gut microbiome, supports better nutrient absorption, mental clarity, and even improved sleep. Simple way to enjoy it. Steam 1 purple or golden sweet potato, pair it with a sprinkle of toasted black sesame seeds, and add a spoon of plain Greek yogurt. This breakfast is not just nourishing, it's also a gentle reminder of home, childhood, and simpler times. A gentle start for tired mornings. Overnight oats. Have you ever tossed and turned all night and woken up too tired to eat? Then this breakfast is for you. Overnight oats aren't just trendy among the young. They're a soothing, heart-friendly choice for older adults. A study from Harvard University showed that regular oat consumption reduces the risk of heart disease by up to 12%, thanks to a special soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which lowers bad cholesterol LDL without affecting good cholesterol HDL. Even better, oats contain natural melatonin and tryptophan, compounds that support better sleep and reduce anxiety. How to prepare overnight oats. 4 tablespoons plain rolled oats. Half cup almond milk or unsweetened dairy milk. A few chia seeds, banana slices or blueberries. Cover and refrigerate overnight. The next morning, just sprinkle a bit of cinnamon or walnuts and enjoy a cool, gentle and nourishing breakfast. No cooking. No effort. Just a jar. A little prep the night before. And a big reward for your heart, your brain, and your peace of mind. After 60, breakfast is more than food. It's a ritual of self-care. In your younger days, mornings may have started with a rush and a coffee on the go. But after 60, each breakfast becomes an opportunity to listen to your body, care for your health, and cherish your time. You don't need expensive ingredients or fancy recipes. Just a ripe avocado, a couple of boiled eggs, or a jar of soaked oats is enough to make your heart beat a little easier and your body say, "Thank you." Breakfast is how you tell yourself, "I deserve to be nourished. I deserve a new beginning every day." And if you're caring for a loved one, your parents, your spouse, or even yourself, consider preparing tomorrow's breakfast together. A small habit can make a big difference. If this message spoke to you, subscribe to Golden 60 Plus and join us on the journey of healthy, gentle, and joyful living after 60.